Hello there. So we're going to continue the OpenAI plugin. So after generating an image, after editing the image, we are going to use this API called create image variation. So now about that API, so you just have to give an input as an image and it will give a variation of that image, a different variation of that image. This is the example, this is the input and this is the output, so both look different. So this only gives a variation of that image. So if we go to workflow, here it asks for the image, then number of variations that you need. I have only given one and the limit is 10, and the size of the image, then response format. You can give it as a URL or base64, it's up to you. So here I'll select the API, then for the image I've selected this image. So now we'll check what the variation will look like. So we got the URL. We'll check what the URL, what the image looks like. So as you can see, it's a different image. So like this you'll be able to create various other variations depending on the number of images you want.